Are you looking for ultimate hotpot experience? Come to Gongfu Hotpot, where you can indulge in eat all you can, unlimited hotpot, and satisfy your sweet tooth with unlimited ice cream. For unlimited grill, you can add 300 pesos and you can enjoy it. One thing I love about Gongfu Hotpot is very friendly ang mga staff nila. At the same time, napakalinis ng restaurant na ito. Talagang mafe-feel mo na parang nasa Korea ka habang kumakain dito kay Gongfu Hotpot. And syempre yung mga food nila sobrang dami na niyan. 599 pesos lang pero talagang nabusog na kaming pamilya, which is my husband and my son. They are open 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. daily. They are located at 223 Nicanor Garcia Street, Bel Air, Makati, in front of SM Jazz Mall. So madali lang silang mahanap. Sobrang daming choices dun sa 599 na aming binayaran each ni husband. And then sobrang maalaga rin nila lalong-lalo na kapag meron kayong baby. So what are you waiting for? Treat your family and friends to an unlimited feast at Gongfu Hotpot because great food is best to enjoy together.